CCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155.
Hakasian kepeningkong la Plie Paidbah yang kecaka sumar kebalai kerteng di Illumis Clinic Hasilong kemudian hakamala kebalai jong Mission Netralaya Eye Care Center Laitumkhrah marpersya bat ke Fire Brigade. Yang ini ke klinik la penyaj da ke Dr. Valencia Surong bat ke Dr. Rima Malik kibalong ki co-partner jong ke Illumis Clinic ke unit jong Mission Netralaya.
Dr. Rima Malik. I am the founder of Illumis Clinic. So we started Illumis Clinic Guwahati 8 years back, and this is our first branch outside Assam. Shillong, Meghalaya. Dr. Valencia has been a good friend. We have known each other for the last 5-6 years now, and I have been frequently visiting her clinic. So we thought of opening a clinic of this kind to give you the best of treatments that is available, because it becomes difficult for everyone in Shillong to travel, for the smallest problems, for the pigmentation that you suffer from and all. So we brought the world-class technologies like lasers and HIFU and all of the machines. And also, Dr. Valencia is trained in aesthetic procedures, and we will also keep on coming here. And we want to add value to the people of Shillong also, to give them. They are already beautiful. We want to make them more beautiful. I hope you all welcome us with open hands.
Certain among in aesthetic experience, and the motive journey when playing is an aesthetic. I think the aesthetic when it not to play the part combination long boy melasma to melasma develop pigmentation, then the acne scar, the broken treatment needed and then with the latest laser treatment. And even we have for tattoo removal also, and there, but we require HIFU is something that shape your face or whatever you want.
Hi, I am Nabesh and I am the PR for the Illumis Aesthetic Clinic, and our clinic has completed 8 glorious years and we have stepped into the 9th year. This 9th year we are trying to expand as much as we can, and here for the first time in Shillong we have come up with this branch. And the best part about Illumis Aesthetic Clinic is that it caters and customizes plans and treatments according to the skin type and according to the geographical area of the particular space. So for example, the people in Shillong has a different skin concern, hair concern and body related issues, and we have customized packages and treatment plan for them. The most common issue is melasma, which can be very well taken care of through our ultra-modern and US FDA approved devices, and you will see visible and remarkable and effective result in a very good amount of time. And also we specialize in different sorts of face lifting, skin tightening, collagen boosting, and skin texture improvement, acne scars. Also we have machines that will help you remove your tattoos, also take care of the melasma, freckles, etc, etc. Apart from, of course, Botox and fillers, which is available here in Illumis Aesthetic Clinic. We also have laser machines for pain-free, non-invasive hair removal. Also we have body contouring devices, which is basically stationed in Guwahati, and if you have any body contouring issues, you can get it sorted through our Illumis Aesthetic Clinic. All you need to do is come to the clinic in the Shillong branch and we definitely facilitate. We have amazing 3 doctors, Dr. Valencia Surong, who will be stationed here in Shillong Center. Also we have Dr. Syed Rafiul Islam. And besides that, we have the doyen of this particular industry, the pioneer and the founder of Illumis Aesthetic Clinic, who has gloriously and successfully carried forward her services, and you will really love it. So visit Illumis Aesthetic Clinic and book your appointment and you'll be really happy. Thank you.